G Plus is the global health and safety organisation bringing together the offshore wind industry to pursue shared goals and outcomes. The G Plus has 4 main work areas: incident data and reporting, good practice guidance, safe by design workshops, and learning from incidents. Each year, the G Plus membership comes together to look at outcomes and plan ahead. The key themes this year were inclusivity, data and outputs, a focus on technicians, and sector growth and developing markets. Now let's hear from some of the attendees.
So, David, you've just wrapped up your first G Plus Stakeholder Forum as the chair. What are your key takeouts from today?
I think it's all about collaboration. The commitment that we've seen in the room today has been fantastic. The energy that people bring in terms of getting people home safe shines through. So we've got that momentum and we just need to build on that.
Another thing that we've worked hard on in G Plus is to set up the engagement and dialogue. So, UK HSE, for example, in the UK, there's strong relationships with offshore wind there. We've managed to arrange the discussions for Taiwan, OSHA, and coming up in Australia and Korea as well, so that they can learn from other regulators and share lessons as well.
So the data is telling us a number of things, and a lot of the data, whilst it's lagging indicators of things that are happening within the sector, it's telling us that there's still the potential for a high hazard event, and the collaboration aspect of that is really key and vital. And we need to get the impacts down to the workforce, the technicians that are involved with the work, to make sure it's really fit for purpose.
A lot of the work that G Plus has done over the years has been at a quite high level, and that's been great. We've needed to do that. But at the same time, we shouldn't forget our roots and the people who are at the pointy end of our risk profile, the people who are putting the spanners on the nuts and doing the work. We need to make sure we're engaging with them, getting their ideas, getting their innovations, and understanding what they can do to help mould the way that the G Plus moves and grows.
So I've been involved with G Plus on the outside and now inside for a while, and it brings an enormous amount of value. It provides a platform for cross-pollination and collaboration, and that's across industries in terms of oil and gas, offshore wind, onshore. That's in terms of regions in Europe, APAC, and the Americas, in terms of the developers and the contractors. And then, to top it all off, it also brings together the regulators. So the regulators in the different regions are learning from each other, and what worked well in one, what didn't work well in another. So, and G Plus does that with no other agenda than safety.
The 2024 stakeholder event here in G Plus has been a huge success. It's been such a joy to participate. And thank you to everyone who's been here for us to learn together, to share ideas, share challenges, and all the time work to improve safety. It's been a joy. Thank you, all of you.